The Food Service Exchange presents.
Hi, I'm Bill Verity, president of Crown Verity, and today we're going to talk about our 60-inch and our 72-inch mobile char broilers. The 60-inch has 8 individual burners, and our 72 comes complete with 10 individual burners. So purposes of this training video, we're going to concentrate on the 60-inch, and we're going to build some grills with different accessories and different options. Whatever we do on the 60-inch, it can be duplicated on the 72-inch. So let's get started. All Crown Verity grills are manufactured with the highest quality materials, and we start with our stainless steel. We use a 304 stainless steel, a number 4 finish, and we have different gauges. For example, this is a 14 gauge leg, very heavy duty. All our grills have these angled legs that give it rock solid stability and durability. Our burners are all stainless steel construction, as are our radiants, as are our grates. Basically everything on these grills is stainless steel except for the knobs, the casters, and the heavy duty wheels. We use nothing but the best materials, so you as an operator will have years and years of trouble-free performance out of your Crown Verity grills. Both our 60-inch and our 72-inch grills come complete with 2 hoses and 2 regulators. And the purpose for the 2 hoses and 2 regulators is that the first hose and reg will operate one side, and the other hose and regulator operates the second side. So consequently, we put 2 propane tanks on both of these units if it's a propane model. And for natural gas, we just have 1 inlet. All Crown Verity grills are compliant with gas and sanitation in North America. We meet or exceed all regulations for gas approvals and for sanitation. And that's why we can offer such a great warranty. We offer a 1-year parts and labor on the entire units. We offer a 10-year warranty on our grates and our burners. Our 60 and 72-inch grills are available in both natural gas and propane. I've got 2 propane tanks here, our 60s and 72s. Both accommodate 2 propane bottles which mount on the back on our tank brackets. Today we're going to build the grill of your dreams, so let's get started. The first option I'm going to put on is the side shelf. It's got a keyhole key lock system, and I'm going to put one on the other end. Our end shelves are one of our most popular options. They allow extra room for food prep and plating. Let's just slide this on. There we go. And now we're going to put a front shelf on, which is great for plating. Now we have both the side shelves and the front shelf. The front shelf is great for a chef when he's grilling. He can actually plate the product right onto the front shelf. The next option I'm going to put on is a roll dome. Let's just slide the roll dome on here. We have a track system, and all our accessories slide on or off. So I'm just going to slide this on our track system, and I'm going to put 2 locking pins inside when I open up the roll dome. So let's put the pins in to lock the roll dome in place. Locked in place. Now I'm going to slide the griddle plate right on, and I'm going to lock it from the back with my pins. We're all set. Now I'm going to install an optional bun rack. The bun racks are also adjustable and they're removable. Now we're going to add on our optional 30-inch rotisserie. And sits right in here. We can also go the full length of the grill. So on this particular 60-inch grill, we can have a 60-inch spit, and we can also have 1 roll dome that extends the whole length of the 60-inch grill. And this will allow for a pig, a goat. It's a great option and a great feature. We just plug in our rotisserie and turn the switch on, and we're ready to go. You can see the rod is solid stainless steel, and the whole rotisserie will take up to 100 pounds. I just removed the removable griddle plate and the rotisserie, I put on another roll dome, and now I'm going to just slide this on the track system right into place. There we go. And then I'll put the pins in and lock it down. I want to show you our steam pan adapters. This 60-inch grill will take 2 on each side. I've got one in, I'll put the other in. And this is a great option. And what we're going to do, I'm going to put in a water pan and a perf pan in each one. The pans are not included, but I'm going to show you what you can do with these pan sets. So we'll just slide this in. We'll slide the other pan set in. So we've got a water pan and then a perf pan. So they're great chafing dishes. You can steam vegetables, you can steam wieners, you can hold product. It's just a great feature for a caterer. With these inserted, we can also close the roll dome. All Crown Verity grills come complete with water pans. The water pans slide out. We have a drain. Put water in. You can drain it out after the function. The big advantage of the water pan is it traps all the grease, so it eliminates any potential to have a grease fire. As long as you have water in your water pan, you won't have a grease fire. Another great benefit of the pan is it adds moisture to the food that you're cooking. So when we pour water in here, and then we have a roll dome closed, it really adds a lot of moisture, and it just gets that product nice and moist. Our 60 and 72-inch grills have heavy-duty 14-inch wheels. These wheels are a little bit beefier than the wheels that are on our 30 and 36 and 48 grills. And then we have the same casters, the total lock casters on this end. And I'm just going to undo the brakes and just show you how portable and easy this is. It just rolls like a charm.